Namaste. Today's yogic session is to realize and correlate with the Reiki and meditation to overcome present COVID-19 crisis on total human race. Yoga means do anything with awareness, with passion, with ultimate love. If you do anything with awareness, it takes less time. Now, today, in this world of crisis, we have to practice yoga throughout our day to day work scenario. Now, today's to prevent COVID 19 on the health, on the to prevent COVID-19 ill effect on the health, first and foremost thing is use mask, hand sanitizer with proper protocol or hand washing in repeated manner. Third is important thing is social distancing. Now come from the third. Social distancing is very important, but it is not possible, or it is not that much possible to adapt that social distancing thing in day to day scenario. You are required to travel in airplane, you are required to gather in some gathering for social day, but mask, properly fitted mask is the first and foremost thing. Second, you should always remain aware of your hand surroundings. Hand sanitization, not using gloves. If you gloves, that means if you are using gloves, you are bound to touch here and there, and again, if you touch your face or face mask or surroundings, that purpose of using mask may be defeated. That's why first and foremost thing is the properly fitted mask. Getting used to the mask. Secondly, when you are removing the mask or donning or doffing, proper protocol will be followed. Repeated hand wash or hand sanitization. Now, let us come to the yogic portion. Now, everybody usually finds little bit difficulty in breathing while using mask. Somebody tries to avoid wearing mask due to they are facing breathing difficulty. Now, do one thing, try to withdraw all your awareness to your Agya Chakra, and awareness gets pointed on this Agya Chakra and keep it like that. Maintain that pointed form as much as possible. Now observe your breath, how small it has become. Now practice it. Try to prolong this awareness. Don't concentrate on your breath. Breath will be taken care of automatically. It will come down. and you'll feel comfortable with the mask. Then it is advisable when you are using N95, that potent mask, you remain in meditated, concentrating in your Agya chakra, in between forehead. Just practice another time, observe your breath, and then expand yourself, then observe your breath, expand yourself to the eternity, ether world, expand, diffuse, dissolve, just like a salt doll within a great huge ocean. Then see your breathing pattern. One is concentrated, another is diffused, expanded format. See, when you are concentrating on your Agga chakra, then breathing also gets sense. And when you are imagining the your expanded version, your breathing also gets prolonged. Now, when you are using masks in some gathering or in traveling in aircraft, when that protocol of social distancing is not possible, then be sincere in using mask and be concentrated in your Agya chakra. Automatically you will feel comfortable. Automatically you will feel noiseless. Now in this concentrated fashion, now let us incorporate little bit Reiki concept in it. Imagine one most saddest grief episodes of your life. Imagine, try to imagine, hold that concept, and then try to overcome is most enjoyable, pleasant, most charming portion of your life, episodes of your life. Try to eliminate, erase off that grief portion. Hold that pleasant state of mind. And with this pleasant state of mind, bless mankind. May God retrieve this mankind from this COVID crisis. May God mutate the virus in a absolute non-virulent forms. Continue, repeat this concept throughout the gathering, throughout the time, or as much as possible. If you are traveling in an aircraft, you are sitting just continuously throughout your life flying span, you just hold this thing, keep on repeating. May God retrieve mankind from this COVID crisis. Let, with your blessing, virus mutate to a non-virulent form. Mankind get relieved. What are the basic requirement? Basic requirement: sit anywhere, not necessarily in a studio, anywhere. You are traveling in a bus or you are sitting in a chair like this. Keep your spine straight as much as possible. Keep your body relaxed. Adapt Chin Mudra. Be comfortable. Put the N95 mask on or any surgical mask as per suitability of the surroundings. Then practice, concentrate in your Agya chakra. Incorporate Reiki concept. Think most briefest episodes, overcome this concept, thought, with most pleasant, enjoyable episodes. With that episode, bless mankind, continue it as much as possible. Be a winner. Let mankind be a winner. Let us all be a winner. Asato ma sadgamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mriturma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.